Hello guys, I'm Krunal. I'm back with one more video for MFA using conditional access. This will allow you guys to force MFA on your regular user even if they don't have E5 license. You can use this method to force MFA on any of your Office 365 user who has MFA license assigned. They can be Office 365 F3, E3 or Microsoft 365 F3, E3 users there. I had also created two videos, one for forcing MFA for role admins and second how to securely allow your user to update security info for MFA. Do check that video as well. In this demo, we'll be covering how we can use conditional access to force MFA on all users. So first thing, make sure you log into your Azure Active Directory with global admin account or the conditional access admin account. We are assuming most of your users already registered their security info for MFA on Azure Active Directory. So we'll create a policy to force MFA for regular users. Now let's name it MFA for users. Under assignment, we'll select all users, and under exclusion, we'll be putting one user, which is one of the global admin, as excluded user. Under cloud application and actions, we'll select all cloud application. If you had any specific application which you don't want MFA, you can click and exclude that application from here. For our setup, we are including all. We are not excluding any application there. Click done. Condition. So under conditions, we are only putting location condition. So if user try to access it from any location, they need to do MFA excluding all the trusted sites. And under client app, we'll be selecting yes for all application and done. Under access control, we'll be selecting grant access, required MFA. If you had hybrid join devices where you wanted to exclude it as MFA, then you can select that. Even you can select Intune devices. So if any of this condition match, they don't require, so that allow them to use it. So we'll select required one of this. So either they can access it through MFA or hybrid device or Intune device. Select enable policy on and create. So this is how you create the condition access for user, and it's on now. So to test the scenario, let's try with test user 3, one of the testing account, which we already updated the MFA information. Currently we are testing it from the known network. So when we log in there from the known network, it didn't even prompt me. So when I try to log into the same account from the different system, which is not part of my known network, let's see what happened there. So when I click there, it asks for MFA, and you can see I received the notification same time on my authenticator app for the approval. Once I approve it from here, then it say okay, stay signing. For now it says no, and we are able to log in there. This is the same user ID password. So this is how you can force MFA on all your regular user. So using conditional access, we can force users who is trying to access the corporate data from public or private system to authenticate through multi-factor authentication. We can also add different conditions to match the scenario depending on your requirement through conditional access.